What you doing?
Getting ready for the swim portion of our safety at sea class. Alright, we love Miami. It's beautiful here. The restaurants are great. The climate is perfect, but the boat show is a total cluster.
The last 2 years we've come here, they had everything located in one location, which was great, but you were kind of isolated, so if you're smart, pack a lunch.
This year, oh my god.
And maybe they purposely put like life boats, life rafts in like 4 different locations, so they make you go see all the different vendors. But it would have been nice to have things more organized in terms of if you're looking for this kind of equipment, it's all here.
Because next weekend we're taking a safety at sea class, and so we were really focused on PLBs, personal locator beacons, EPIRBs, and life rafts, and they were spread out all over. And hiking didn't even really want to talk to us. They only want to do commercial. It was kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Thank you for taking time to explain your offshore life rafts. So we are looking to bring our boat from Cape Town all the way across to the Caribbean. And so we need an offshore life raft. And tell us what's awesome about the day trip.
Fixedness bag. Kind of, you don't want to throw up outside. You don't want to have anything around you like sharks. So you actually throw up in a bag and then just save it.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I had not heard that.
We had the Rainier life rafts, but since we're looking to do worldwide cruising, he said we actually need to go with this.
Ocean ISO life raft, serviceable worldwide. Goes from a 4-person all the way up to a 12-person.
Yeah, no
problem. You guys are welcome to hold on to that.
Okay, thanks.
This is the Winslow Superlight Offshore Plus. It's our cruising raft for when you're going to be going across the Atlantic further than 150 miles offshore.
So, in a survival situation, if you get into your life raft, you need to use the rule of 3, which is your body can last 3 minutes without air, 3 days without water, 3 weeks without food, and 3 months without hope. Everybody is seen naked and afraid. They're out there with nothing for 3 weeks. Besides the fact that we've been around since 1941, so the oldest life raft around out there, and we're American made compared to everyone else.
So radios, EPIRBs, all sorts of other stuff. Unscrew the top. Okay? Do not look at it.
I just pull it
Yeah, take it away from you. Pull it.
like that.
Don't look at it.
Make it like you're pulling it away from you. Yep. Do it again. A little harder.
Don't look at it. Is it gonna get hot?
No.
Hey,
Right in the face.
squeeze.
So think about it. What else could you do with that to stop that? Somebody give him a raft. All right, now pull it out.
Ugh. Oh wow, that plugged up fast. But will it hold? Oh, that was actually way easier, and you could do that in a small space. Way better than having to hammer that thing in.
Try pull it. I'm kind of a fan of these. I don't know.
They're pretty
I've
awesome.
got 3 of them on my boat.
How much?
Those can be cut to fit also.
And yeah, you could trim it. Yep.
Welcome to Saturday Night. Hit me, Ann.
Oh, wow.
I got it.
Yeah, that's an old Avon raft.
Yeah.
The newer ones have more
he got
stiffer,
it.
robust boarding platform.
Yeah. I don't think the screw fits.